Well, news just coming in. The Aviation Ministry does not deny privatization of Air India. Aviation Minister has said that Air India privatization may not happen immediately, but it cannot be ruled out in the future, adding that the Airports Authority of India and Pawan Hans will be listed on the stock markets.
There are certain sections that say privatization is a solution. There are certain sections that say it should remain with the public sector. Why private sector? Why public sector? There's another section that says, why don't you get it professionally managed? Which obviously by implication means so these suggestions are there. Why should we close our options? Let us have a more conscious decision. When a decision arises, we arrive at a decision. Let us look at all probabilities, possibilities, and then come to a decision.
Well, that's a significant announcement coming in from the Aviation Minister. Let's go across to Abhishek, who has more on this. Abhishek, now several aviation experts have said that Air India, which has been bleeding money for several years, the only way to save it could be to get in a private hand. The Aviation Minister now saying that that is a possibility.
Well, yes, that was the clearest hint that came out of this press conference, which was essentially on the latest civil aviation policy. And the minister there saying that though as of now there is no concrete proposal to privatize Air India, but he did say that in future it's a distinct possibility that both Air India and Pawan Hans could be privatized. And in fact, even airport administration could be privatized. So essentially, the civil aviation minister was stressing that privatization is way to go in the sector, and that with whatever experience they have had now in terms of the private-public model of running airports, he thought that it has been greatly successful, and that the same can be pushed in terms of privatization of the airline as well. You know, we have to remember this comes in the context of the difficulties that the financial difficulties that the airline faces almost permanently. Off and on, it has to be given a lifeline by the government in terms of financial infusion of money, and so this is clearest indication yet that Air India could be on its way to privatization in the near future.
Right. Also, the other significant part that's coming out, Abhishek, is that the Airports Authority of India and Pawan Hans will go public now.
Well, yes. In fact, the minister clearly indicated that in concrete, most concrete possible terms, that both Airports Authority of India and the Pawan Hans would go public, and that the process has been initiated, consultation is going on, and that very soon he said that he would come out with a timeline as to by when both the AAI and Pawan Hans would be public concerns.